Hello viewers, so today AKC Energy is on site to install an air conditioner for a client. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like our video.
Well, welcome to MERAKI 89 Ventures. My name is Michael Asma. So as you can see, we have the privacy glass, we have the normal glass, we have the metal glass, we have phone batteries, chargers, cord, earpins. We have phones, Android phones over here. So when you want to locate MERAKI 89 Ventures, it is around Cape Coasf, heading towards the police station, Cape Coasf police station. You can call us on 054 279166 or 059 846 4332. Thank you very much.